He's still moving dirt, still fishing for rocks. He's making him a little road over there. Willow. So here we are back on a different day. All right, so I was able to get into town, stop by here at the store to get the last few things I needed, like and well, there is one more thing that I am going to need for the power pole that I guys have showed you over on the Daily Scuttlebutt. And if you haven't checked that out, I'll put that up here in the corner. Go check it out. It's just a brief walkthrough of, hey, what's going on today. I was on the run that day and just showing stuff, what was going on. So yeah, that's our side channel, and you get a little more behind the scenes on that one. But for the most part, it's just me talking. What are we doing today? We're going to help out the community, y'all. So stay tuned.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Hi, Paul. Sorry, I ain't got time to stop today. I want to see the other Paul. That's the bearded carpenter, y'all. I'm not going to show you where he lives, but I'm passing by his house, so figured I'd send out the long hello, and I'll try to drop in whenever I can. Go check him out. It's my turn. So, like my mom always said, you're never on an adventure unless you make at least one U-turn. Somebody needs a weed whacker. Well, I made it. Yeah, came over here to give a lending hand to Jenn and Wiley. Coming over to check out their property for the little gathering. So, right now he's pushing dirt. Plus I had a couple tents that we're gonna bring over. One, I'm gifting to them because I no longer had the top for it. Kind of burned it up a little bit. And they have a top but didn't have the frame because their frame got damaged. So I'm glad to be able to pass that on. And then our tent as well, we're gonna get set up here. And then whenever we come over for the gathering and stuff, we'll take that home after the fact. But welcome to Arkansas. Got a lot of rocks. Getting there. It's looking gooder each time. But now Wiley has to go fishing for more rocks. We ran out of the good ones. So he's gonna move some dirt and we're gonna take a hydration break. Wiley's still moving dirt, still fishing for rocks. Now he's making him a little road over there. That way, because trying to get some of this dirt pushed off. Because they got a project, which obviously you're gonna have to follow that over on their channel. So I'll put those links down in the description, but come check this out real quick. That's not supposed to be bent like that. And if you want to see what we had to do to get that undone and get it off the tractor because it was stuck, also go over to their channel and check that out. Because yeah, that was not fun.
walk around?
Good job. Man, these stairs look good.
Yeah, they do.
That's where the kitties go. Mom!
So it's hot.
This is my chair.
Family's heading out to the lake. They're gonna go cool down a little bit, and we're gonna head back to the house. All right, Wiley. I definitely appreciate you, brother.
Thank you.
Yeah, we'll see you Saturday.
Unless you want to come again, I'll work you again.
I swear to
Well,
God.
if you want to come get my lawnmower working,
Hey.
I'll come again.
I think we got to make a trip down to that area tomorrow anyway, so we'll see.
No, anytime, like I've told you before, anytime that you need us, give me a holler. You got my number, and we'll come get you knocked out.
Greatly appreciate it.
As Drew likes to say, let's go.
Glad I got some sweat out of you today.
Yeah, I know my pants clock is telling me it's time to quit for the day. But if you guys don't know what that means, you will. That's it. The day is done. I'm gonna go back, get some cool beverage. I might even stop off at Sonic, who knows? Because don't necessarily like their food, but I do love their drinks. But it was a great day to be able to come and just help out with the Framily, the community. Jenn and Wiley got a great looking place. It's just going to get better with time, and that's really all it takes is a little bit of time. Enjoy the journey. So if you guys want to check out and see what's going on over there, I will have the links to their channels, both the main channel and then to Wiley's channel. I do know that they're going to be going through a name change, rebranding here soon, so make sure you're checking that out, that you're clicking that notification, and you know when those things happen, so you're not expecting a video from their main channel like, oh wait, the name changed. So that's something that they've been talking about for a little bit. Okay, so we definitely appreciate you guys. Make sure you're going out and helping your community. Just makes the world a better place. All right, well, I'm hot, and like I said, my pants clock is telling me that it was time to go, because whenever you sweat all the way down and the bottom of your jeans is wet from sweat from top to bottom, lets you know that, hey, it's time to stop working. So heading back home, definitely appreciate it. Last but not least, remember to always thank a veteran at every chance you get, not only on Veterans Day, and we'll see you on the next one. Later, y'all.